I'm happy that FAPSI has initiated a study and, of course, is taking a lot of interest in encouraging green energy in urban infrastructure. I welcome the initiative. And as we are aware, that the consumption of energy on various fronts has increased exponentially over the period of time. Maybe if you just talk about maybe 200 years back, maybe the nature uh, could have sustained the kind of usage because the nature and human being are life on the universe. They coexist and they know each other's requirement, and there is a capacity for refurbishment of whatever is lost. But somehow, maybe last 100 years, especially last 70 years of huge technological leap, whatever we have achieved. One way it is good. We are comfortable without air conditioning. Now, we lot of people forget the days where we live without air conditioners, without fans, without the lights in the daytime. So, of course, we have constructed buildings to ensure that we have to use the energy whatever may be the time of the day. If you want to work, you need the kind of spending of energy in the form of light, in the form of fans, in the form of air conditioning or air cooling. So all these comforts now are taken for granted. Maybe 70 years before, if we think, definitely our forefathers must not have thought these are the necessity. So now it has become a necessity. So naturally, and also the increase in population. So naturally, the energy, whatever we can generate, especially from non-renewable resources. So this is fast dwindling. We all understand the seriousness of this issue, and even the recently Coal India, present Coal India chairman, and the chairman of Singareni Coal Race till now, he was giving a alarm saying that the present, maybe if you talk about 300 meters level, where extraction is reasonably economical, and of course, even though now we are feeling the pinch of the price of increase of coal, it will be only sufficient for the next 20 to 25 years. So, and if you want to go for 600 meters level, where the entire extraction of coal will be that much difficult and that much expensive, naturally, we may have to spend a lot of amount, and that amount has to be reimbursed by us, who is consuming that energy. And maybe a time may come, even that will get exhausted, and we will be left with some very few other alternatives. So, of course, unfortunately, we are still not seeing the danger signals so keenly. So, Honorable Chief Minister, during the recent meeting, so at least he has directed us to at least display some visual boards indicating the pollution levels in the city, at least for the people to understand what kind of life we are leading.